Welcome to 4 different ways to make your own tomato sauce with homegrown tomatoes. Enjoy!
And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share.
Number 4. Adding meat. Although it's not the healthiest nor the easiest one, most people prefer meat, so I'm still showing it, although I don't recommend it. Make sure that you bake the meat before adding the tomatoes so it doesn't cook in the tomato liquid. Next off, number 3, where we break it down a little and go healthier, legumes. We cut up some onions and heat up a pan with some coconut oil. After that we add the onions, of course, and we start cutting up some garlic. Now garlic actually works antibacterial, so it's very healthy to add that. Next, of course, we have some mushrooms. If you have them, cut them up and add them. If you don't, go straight up to the tomatoes. I did it the other way because I forgot that I had mushrooms and I quickly wanted to add them because it's really nice. Cook your legumes or beans and just add them after that. That's really it. Looks disgusting? Matter of perspective. Number 2, vegetarian meat. It's actually exactly the same, but except for cooking beans, we add vegetarian meat, and that's it. Perfect with pasta. Number 1, wraps filling. It's basically the same. Just mash up tomatoes with a potato masher. Add some hot chili pepper, or sambal if you're really lazy. And most importante is the corn, of course, and some tomato puree. And just mix everything together. Well, finishing touch, of course, nuts or seeds of choice. And ta-da! That's a wrap. Get it? Five minutes, 160 degrees. Thank you for watching, and if you subscribe, I'll see you next time. Peace.